Hello, this is Lamar.
And Nayara, and we are the staff at the UN Anti-Racism Coalition, UNARC.
Since 2021, UNARC has been working to connect anti-racism movements, organizations, and defenders with UN mechanisms. With our work, we helped over 239 people testify in front of the UN in Brazil and in the United States.
We supported over 15 campaigns led by organizations on the ground, and we amplified the voices of 50 defenders through our events and statements at the UN.
However, this outstanding work is at risk due to lack of funding, so we invite you to donate and share or call with your networks. Now, let's talk about why your donation is essential for the anti-racism struggle.
UNARC is a civil society coalition led by African and Afro-descended women and composed of over 100 organizations and activists addressing police violence against Africans and Afro-descendants globally. After George Floyd's murder, UNARC members successfully pushed the UN to establish an investigative mechanism to examine police violence and its root causes. 4 years after George Floyd, what we observed and proved by listening to people who were directly impacted by law enforcement violence was that anti-Blackness in police culture continues to kill, torture, arrest, threaten, and traumatize Black people around the globe. Black people are more likely to be killed by police, more likely to be unarmed, and less likely to be threatening anyone when they are killed. UNARC supported many members' campaigns that highlighted the systemic issue to local governments and the UN.
For UNARC, navigating the UN continues to be a core tool for raising the voices of those who suffer the consequences of vicious violence from law enforcement, as we have been supporting defenders to deliver statements during HRC sessions. These current challenging times for people working on racial justice globally demand an international racial justice movement that connects efforts, people, and strategies. Please consider donating to UNARC or sharing this message with your community to help dismantle systemic inequalities and create lasting change. Your contribution will support campaigns led by directly impacted people on police violence, advocacy at the UN for those affected by police violence and anti-Blackness, and coordination of country visits by the UN Investigative Mechanism on Police Violence. You can easily donate to UNARC by going to our website, unarc.org, or simply go to givebutter.com/UNARC.
Let's stay in unity.